simple, practical, and fully informative way so you can choose the right system for your home or office security. Let's start with DVR, or Digital Video Recorder, which is the traditional system used with analog cameras. DVRs are reliable, budget-friendly, and perfect for basic CCTV setups where you simply want recording, playback, and live view. They use coaxial cables, which means installation is simple but also limited in video quality, typically HD or slightly above, depending on the camera. DVRs lack advanced AI features like human detection, vehicle detection, or facial recognition, and the remote access apps are usually basic. If your setup is small, simple, and cost-sensitive, DVR still works in 2025, but it is slowly becoming outdated as technology moves toward smarter security. Now let's talk about XVR, also known as hybrid recorders, which take DVR technology to the next level. In 2025, XVR has become the most popular recorder for homes with mixed camera setups because it can support analog, HD coaxial, and IP cameras all on the same device. That means you can keep your old cameras while adding new IP cameras anywhere you want, giving you better flexibility and future upgradability. XVRs also offer improved video quality for analog cameras, support higher resolutions like 2MP, 5MP, 8MP depending on the model, and include basic AI functions like motion alerts, perimeter detection, and some smart analytics. While it's not as advanced as a full NVR, an XVR gives you a balanced mix of compatibility and modern features. In simple terms, DVR is for old-style systems with no plan for upgrade, while XVR is built for 2025 users who want a flexible, partially modern, and future-proof solution without replacing everything. If you want to slowly upgrade your home security by adding IP cameras later, an XVR is the smarter choice. If you only need basic recording with no smart features, DVR will still get the job done, but it offers very limited future value. Think of DVR as a basic feature phone, simple but restricted, while XVR is like a hybrid smartphone that works with old and new accessories at the same time. So, which recorder is better in 2025? For most people, the answer is clearly XVR, because it gives you flexibility, better compatibility, higher resolution support, and easier future upgrades. DVR is only recommended if you are on a strict budget or have an older system that you don't plan on upgrading. By understanding these differences, you can now confidently choose the recorder that fits your needs, budget, and long-term security goals. And if this video helped you understand the real comparison between DVR and XVR, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CCTV guides, comparisons, and setup tutorials designed to make your security smarter in 2025 and beyond.